In this tutorial, we will look how to perform logout in Roblox in PC or mobile. Let's open the Roblox in PC, and Roblox will show the list of default recommended games. Now click on Setting and perform the logout action. Roblox player will get logout, and to play again in Roblox, user needs to re-log in. In the same way, we need to open the Roblox in mobile, and we would be able to see the list of default recommended Roblox games in our accounts. Scroll and look at the bottom and click on 3 dots at the lower end right corner. A new page will be open with the other Roblox feature. Scroll more and more. At the last, there will be a logout button. Press it to get logout from the Roblox account. Now this tutorial end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider it to subscribe this channel. Keep liking and commenting on video. Thanks for watching.